All right, so hi. This is a pretty unscripted and unstructured video. Pretty much the only note I have for this video is literally what I'm even saying right now. And yeah, I'm trying to make everything to kind of make sense in the final edit. If I can, I'll try my best. 2024 was pretty cool and I would say pretty bad. I think it's both ways actually. When it comes to being like creative, 2024 was pretty terrible. This is Saturday. It's currently 8 p.m. I'm expecting to upload this video tomorrow, Sunday, which would be my weekly upload schedules. Sundays at 6 p.m. West African time. Speaking about 2024 was pretty dope. I mentioned it being dope and bad at the same time. Bad creatively because I wasn't able to make as much. I was hoping, I was praying, and I was pretty certain at some point that I was going to get monetized in 2024, but I'm still far away from that, still pretty far from that. But the dope part of 2024 was pretty much me, I wouldn't say in a financial way, but in more of me able to buy some of the things I always wanted for my YouTube channel. I kind of pride myself in not buying things for show or buying things for the sole purpose of people seeing that I have certain things, like buying a new iPhone because that's the latest iPhone and everyone. I might have to buy the latest iPhone this year so I can make videos about it, but I pride myself not buying things when I don't need them. Trying to buy things that would last me a very long time, not just chipping out on things because that's what I have money for at the moment. I just hope my audio is recording. So that means me buying a camera, buying a decent lens. This is a Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens. Most of the things I got, I haven't made like dedicated videos on them, but I plan on making those this year. That's part of the plan of 2025. Just make videos about things I have and sharing my experiences and thoughts about certain tech that I own. The MacBook was something I was pretty much happy that I was able to get. Something that's been a dream since when I was in high school. Getting an iPhone, getting a MacBook, all those things were just like dreams to me at some point, and now I'm seeing them just manifesting themselves, especially in 2024. 2024 was just massive when it came to like buying things and investing in myself. So I now have a camera, a pretty decent tripod, because what I used to use before was like a $5 tripod and I wasn't comfortable with my camera being on a $5 tripod. It didn't just make sense to me. $600 or $700 camera with a $300 lens on a $5 tripod. It didn't just make any sense to me, so I just had to invest in a better tripod. Also, something I decided to do last year was affiliate marketing, so I decided to make purchase links to my description. So if anybody uses those links, I get a commission from that. I wasn't expecting it to work until I checked like a month ago, and I saw that I had made like $4 already, and I was wondering from what video, because I haven't made a video in a very long time. So $4 is very little, but at least I see a little bit of progress there. Wow. You guys will not believe what happened. When it comes to like tech in general, especially when it comes to like camera gear, that's been my major interest for the past couple of months now. I found that I like or have a kind of interest in like camera gear. So that's something I'm really happy about that I was able to invest in. I really do not like the idea of sharing my goals online, but at the same time, it kind of keeps me on my toes and like makes it feel like I'm accountable for something, or how do I put it? Like I'm making a promise to myself and then to you guys as well. Because if I was to just tell my goals to myself basically, then I could just fumble and no one would seem to care. Even I would not seem to care. As sad as it sounds, I might not even care that I don't get monetized again this year, but that's not going to happen. That's definitely not going to happen. If it happens, then this YouTube thing is definitely not for me. But I do not know, or I try not to set goals based on numbers. So I might feel tempted to say, okay, I want to get 10,000 subscribers this year. The thing is, I'm not really in control of that. I could get more or I could get less. So the only thing I could be sure of is the amount of output that I output. If that makes sense. Does it make sense? I'm kind of just all over the place right now. The output being the amount of videos I'm able to put out. So that's something I can control, something I can actually put in effort and actually do. That's the only number I can actually control. But metrics on YouTube, how many views I get, how many subscribers, that's totally not in my power. That's up to the YouTube gods to do their thing. So basically the goal for YouTube this year is to get monetized, because that is definitely possible, and then to upload every single week until the end of the year. if possible, multiple times a week, including shorts probably. Very skeptical on shorts, but yeah, let's see how it goes. And to make sure that you guys are also part of this whole journey, let me know what your own goals, what are some goals you can share with the rest of the people down in the comments. Possibly we can keep each other accountable. I don't know how possible that would be, but it would be pretty nice to like say what your goals are and then we seeing what your goals are, and probably come back to this video by the end of the year and see where each and every one of us probably do a live stream at the end of the year. I'll have to watch this video at the end of the year to know exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, let me know what your goals are, see how we can grow, each and every one of us. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Pretty rambling at this point, but this is what I get for trying to record an impromptu video. I'll see you in the next video.